The McLaren Senna hypercar was spotted again on public roads. Look at that wing. It's bigger than the Dodge Vipers, and it's even more impressive from the side view. The P1 successor and F1-inspired road car features a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 making 789 horsepower and 590 pounds-to-foot of torque, all sent to the rear wheels. The latest rumors posit the McLaren is readying the Senna for a race debut because it's building 500 road cars to meet some sort of homologation rule for gentlemen's or sports car racing. McLaren said it wanted its owners to be able to drive the car to a track day, but Autocar guesses that Senna owners could easily get their car hypercar to the track. The Senna, which should start at $1 million or so, comes with a hydraulic adjustable suspension and much of that aero bodywork is active. McLaren has named its new hypercar after legendary three-time F1 champion Ayrton Senna. Senna won all of his titles with the McLaren F1 team as well as 35 of his 41 Grand Prix victories. This is the first project that really connects with Ayrton's racing spirit and performance. The McLaren Senna is the personification of McLaren's DNA at its most extreme, creating the purest connection between car and driver. It is the most track-focused road car we have ever built, and it will set the fastest lap times of any McLaren to date. Inspired by one of McLaren's greatest racing drivers, the McLaren Senna is utterly dedicated to allowing the driver to be the best they can possibly be. The McLaren Senna is a car like no other. It is a new member of the McLaren Ultimate Series, a product family introduced with the McLaren P1 TM and reserved for the rarest and most extreme McLaren cars. Unsurprisingly, there are strong echoes in the new McLaren Senna of the incredibly focused philosophy behind the McLaren P1 TM. Yet where the McLaren P1 TM was designed to be the best driver's car on road and track, the McLaren Senna is designed and developed with track prowess absolutely taking precedence. The McLaren Senna will be hand-assembled in England at the McLaren Production Centre. Production will be limited to 500 vehicles. The car will make its public debut at the Geneva Motor Show in March, and each McLaren Senna has already been assigned to a customer.